Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to take a look at this brand new outdoor fabric sign. We are excited to bring to you the latest in the outdoor range, the Formulate Shadow. So the Formulate family has one really key feature, which is just how easy they are to build, and the Formulate Shadow is no exception to that. With a really easy to follow numbering system and a simple push pin fit in, building this can be done in a matter of minutes. And fitting the graphic is just as simple. Simply slide the graphic over the top, almost like a large pillowcase, and then zip along the bottom to secure your graphic in place. One key difference between the Formulate Shadow and the standard Formulate family is that this is actually constructed from steel rather than aluminium, which just makes it a little bit more robust for the outdoor use. And you may have also noticed that it's also sporting this large steel base. This just gives it a little bit more extra weight and extra stability when using it outside, and will allow you to withstand wind speeds of around 18 miles an hour. And for all you eagle-eyed viewers out there, you may have also noticed that we've also added the addition of some wheels as well, which means transporting this around isn't going to be hard work. So the Formulate Shadow can be used on a variety of hard standing grounds. You may have also noticed that on the base there's 4 small holes in each corner. That also allows this to be used on soft ground and can be secured nicely in place using ground pegs. And there you have it, that is the all-new Formulate Shadow. This is in stock and available now. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you again soon.